I am Nicole, and if this is the first time you are here, I do videos on curly hair routines, skincare, and just a bit of my natural curly hair transitioning journey. Today, however, I am going to be doing a curly hair refresher video. So this is day 6. I washed my hair, actually it's day 5. I washed my hair in the previous video that I did. I'll leave a link above here for you to check that out. So today is day 5 and I've had my hair up in this bun for the past 2 days. Just, because I've been really busy with things. So generally when I'm at home and I'm not going anywhere, I tend to not really worry too much about my hair and I'll just put it up in a pineapple. But I thought today I'd do a refresher video. So what I'm going to be using firstly is just some water, making sure that I'm sort of just dampening the hair. It's just easier to add the products, and also to, obviously if you're refreshing your hair, you want to make sure that you're adding moisture. So water would be your best option to start with, and then of course adding oil products. I have added a little bit of leave-in conditioner into the water. You do get like refresher spray products and things like that, but it's not really necessary. You can just add a bit of conditioner to your water, leave in whatever conditioner you have, and it's sort of like the same thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and start spraying this in, and then I will add on the rest of the products. So as you can see, I am applying the water as I'm separating my hair, and that's just making sure that I get through to the thick parts, especially around my root area, because the hair does get tangled quite a bit over there. I will also try and concentrate a lot on the drier parts, which is mainly my crown section, the front of my hair, and then of course the little bits right at the bottom. Once I squeeze that through, I'll punch a bit, especially on the ends, because that does tend to lose a bit of its curl and it does get a bit drier, especially because I'm transitioning. The lower parts of my hair are a lot more damaged. So just concentrating on getting enough moisture to those parts as well. What I like to do here is just separate the hair into little sections as I'm massaging the water through. That's just making sure that I get into those middle parts, especially if you have thickness like mine and my hair type. It just helps to get the moisture into those difficult parts which you do not want to be neglecting. And then I will slowly detangle with my fingers. Like I said, I do get a lot of tangles around the root area. And this way I'm not needing to use a detangling brush, so there won't be any frizz when I'm doing this. Now I'll apply some Amla oil, and Amla oil is really good for hair growth as well as strengthening the hair, and I really take my time just massaging that into my head. And it's just something that you should do regularly. Every time you may be styling or on your wash day, you just massage some oil. It will just give your head a massage in general, which really does help with hair growth. Okay, so the next product I'm going to be using is the Iwori leave-in conditioner or leave-in lotion. I really only use a little bit of this on my entire head because it is quite thick, and I don't normally use this, or wouldn't really recommend using this with your refresher sort of routine, especially if you have thin hair, because it will weigh your hair down and make it look really oily. But as you can see, I'm just using a little, and I would concentrate a lot on my drier parts and just massage that through, and just making sure that I'm getting to the ends as well. Yeah, again, I'm just detangling and getting the product into those middle parts as well, but by not applying anymore. So the next product I'm using is the Curl Activator Gel by The Perfect Hair. I absolutely love this product. I also don't add too much because I did add quite a bit on my wash day. And again, just concentrating on my frizzier, drier parts and then squeezing that in very lightly. You can see that I didn't squeeze the hair too much. I sort of just coated it and then crunched the rest of the product through. And this really does help with your ends, especially if you have ends like mine that do get a bit dry and frizzier because they are a lot more damaged than the rest of my hair. It just keeps it in place and keeps it looking moisturized and keeps the curl there as well. That is it. That's how I would refresh my hair. I'm not going to diffuse. I'm just going to let it air dry because it is quite thick already. There's quite a bit of volume, so when it does air dry, it will get a little bit puffier and there will be a bit of shrinkage. But that is basically my refreshing routine of day 5. As you can see, compared to day 1, my hair is a lot frizzier, it's a lot thicker, and it does need a lot more moisture as the days go on. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. I do put out a video at least once a week. But have a fantastic New Year's Eve. Until next time, see you in 2021. Bye.